Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will ask three numbers, and then it will compute for the sum, average, and product of the three given numbers of our user using Java programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, commenting, leaving some suggestion. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here input Java util scanner, public class love example, public static void main, scanner input scanner. We have here several variables, num1, num2, num3, sum, average, product, C and CH. Do begin. We have your sum, average of and product of three numbers in Java. Enter first number num1, enter second number num2, enter third number num3. It will display the sum, the average, and then the product, and then it will ask the user, do you want to continue? So C, input next, character are at 0, convert the character to uppercase using to uppercase until the reply will yes, and then end of program. Thank you for using the software, and then we close the scanner. Scanner input yes, here. Okay, so don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. Let us run the code. Okay, the program is running. Sum, average, and product of three numbers in Java. Enter first number, we have 4, 5, and then we have 6. So the sum of three numbers is 15. The average of the sum of this number is 15. The average of this number is 5. The product of this number is 120. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter first value, we have 34, second we have 56, third we have 67. So the sum of this number is 157. The average is 52.3336. The product is 127,568. Okay, do you continue? No. So, and thank you for using this software. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on sum, in average, and product of three numbers in Java. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.